Let's see details of components of a cell. So the first component, that is cell wall. Cell wall is present in plant cell only. It is absent in animal cell, as we have seen in the above figure. So it is found around the cells of algae, fungi and plants. Algae is also a type of plant, so it is found, cell wall is found in plants as well as in fungi. Animal cells lack cell wall. Animal cell में cell wall नहीं होती. Cell wall is an elastic and strong coat around the cell membrane. So it is a strong coat, it is the coating around the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of carbohydrates like cellulose and pectin. So cell wall is made up of cellulose as well as pectin. आफ्टरवर्ड्स पॉलीमर्स, और उसके साथ पेक्टिन और सेलुलोज के साथ और कौन सी चीज़ें होती है सेल वॉल में. लेट्स सी आफ्टरवर्ड्स पॉलीमर्स लाइक लिग्निन. पॉलीमर्स लिग्निन. Lignin is a kind of oil. So sabrine, lignin, cutin are added in cell wall as per need. अब ये सारे ही plants में नहीं होता, higher plants में. In higher plants lignin, sabrine and cutin are present. Function of cell wall are to support and to protect the cell by preventing entry of excess of water in the cell. So the function is to protect the cell membrane, to protect the cell is the function of cell wall. Second is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is also known as cell membrane. So cell membrane is present in plant as well as in animal cell. So let's see how it is made up of. So it is plasma membrane is a thin, fragile and elastic covering that separates the cell components from outer environment. So it is very, very elastic thin membrane which is made up of, also it is also made up of carbohydrates. So structure of plasma membrane, here it is shown. See, here the structure is shown. Protein molecules are embedded in two layers of phospholipid. Plasma membrane is said to be a selectively permeable membrane as it allows some substances to enter the cell while prevents other substances. Now this plasma membrane is also known as selectively permeable. That means कुछ चीज़ों को अंदर आने देती है और कुछ चीज़ों को बाहर करती है. Like a net, mosquito net, है ना, मच्छरदानी के जैसा. मच्छर को अंदर आने नहीं देगी लेकिन हवा को अंदर आने देगी, हवा को बाहर जाने देगी. Like that type of structure is there which is called as a selectively permeable membrane. Plasma membrane is selectively permeable. It gives the entry to certain things and it gives the it exhales certain things. So due to this property, useful molecules of water, salt, oxygen enter in the cell and carbon dioxide exit the cell. If any changes occur outside the cell, the cellular environment does not change due to plasma membrane. So this condition is known as hemostasis. Hemostasis means if changes, outsider changes are there, it does not affect on inner changes. So if any change occur outside the cell, the cellular environment does not change due to plasma membrane. अंदर कोई change नहीं होगा, बाहर भले ही कितनी भी ठंड हो, गर्म हो, whatever, अंदर के टेम्परेचर को अच्छे से मैनेज करने का काम कौन कर रहा है? सेल मेम्ब्रेन. सो दिस कंडीशन ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज नोन एज कंडीशन ऑफ hemostasis. So this is the cell membrane.